Gran Canaria is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world. Did you know it's called a miniature continent? Because it packs everything from golden beaches and lush forests to volcanic craters into one island? And here's the kicker. Over 300 days of sunshine each year mean it's a paradise waiting for you, anytime you're ready to explore. Let's uncover how to plan your perfect getaway. Gran Canaria is a paradise in the Atlantic Ocean, where natural beauty, cultural diversity, and endless opportunities for adventure come together. Its volcanic origins have given it an incredibly diverse landscape, ranging from the golden dunes of Maspalomas to the misty peaks of Pico de las Nieves. The island also boasts a fascinating cultural history, shaped by its connections to Europe, Africa, and the Americas. However, to truly experience everything this island has to offer, a little planning goes a long way. From finding the best time to visit, to knowing where to go and what to eat, planning your trip will ensure you make the most of your time on this magical island. Gran Canaria is the third largest of the Canary Islands, located just off the northwest coast of Africa. Its landscapes are incredibly varied: steep ravines, ancient volcanic craters, and over 60 kilometers of pristine beaches. This diversity earned the island its nickname, the miniature continent. Gran Canaria's culture is equally fascinating. A mix of indigenous traditions and influences from Spanish colonization has created a vibrant tapestry of food, music, and architecture. The island's modern tourism industry dates back to the 19th century, when its favorable climate and natural beauty first attracted European visitors. Today, Gran Canaria welcomes millions of tourists each year, offering them a perfect balance of relaxation and adventure. To plan the perfect trip to Gran Canaria, start by choosing the best time to visit. Spring and autumn are ideal, with mild temperatures and fewer crowds. Summer is great for beach lovers, while winter attracts hikers and cyclists who want to explore the island's trails and volcanic peaks. The island's attractions are as diverse as its landscape. Nature lovers should visit the Maspalomas Dunes, a surreal desert-like area next to the ocean, and Tamadaba Natural Park, where lush pine forests meet dramatic cliffs. Don't miss the stunning Roque Nublo, one of the island's most iconic landmarks, or the breathtaking views from Pico de las Nieves, the highest point on Gran Canaria. History buffs will enjoy exploring Las Palmas' Vegeta district, home to cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, and cultural gems like the Columbus House Museum. For an even deeper dive into the island's history, visit the Painted Cave in Galdar, an archaeological treasure that dates back to Gran Canaria's pre-Hispanic era. Gran Canaria's food is another highlight. You can't leave without trying papas arrugadas, small salted potatoes served with spicy mojo sauce. Fresh seafood, goat's cheese, and desserts like almond marzipan from Tejeda are also must-tries. Pair your meal with a glass of local wine or coffee, both of which the island is famous for. For activities, there's something for everyone. Families will love Palmitos Park, a botanical and zoological park, and Aqualand Maspalomas, a water park with fun slides. Adventure seekers can go scuba diving at Sardina del Norte, windsurfing at Pozo Izquierdo, or hiking through Tamadaba. With so much to do, your itinerary will quickly fill up. Planning a trip to Gran Canaria isn't without its challenges. The island's diversity can be overwhelming, making it hard to decide what to prioritize. Navigating transportation is another common issue, as public buses don't always reach the more remote areas, which are often the most rewarding to visit. For non-Spanish speakers, language barriers might occasionally come into play, especially in smaller towns. Additionally, the sheer number of activities and attractions can make it difficult to narrow down your options and create a realistic itinerary. To overcome these challenges, a little preparation goes a long way. First, make a list of your must-see attractions, whether that's relaxing on the beaches, hiking to Roque Nublo, or exploring the cultural hotspots of Vegeta. Use travel guides such as the Gran Canaria Leisure Guide to prioritize activities based on your interests and the time of year. For transportation, consider renting a car if you plan to visit the island's more remote locations like Guigui Beach, or the Nublo Rural Park. Driving will give you the flexibility to explore at your own pace. Alternatively, the island's public bus system, known as guaguas, is affordable and reliable for reaching major destinations. If language is a concern, download a translation app or familiarize yourself with basic Spanish phrases. You'll find that locals are friendly and helpful, making communication easier. Lastly, book your accommodations and excursions in advance, especially during the peak summer months, to secure the best options and avoid last-minute stress. By tackling these challenges head-on, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Gran Canaria is a destination that truly has it all: breathtaking natural beauty, a rich cultural heritage, and countless opportunities for adventure. By planning your trip carefully, you can enjoy everything this island has to offer, from its pristine beaches and vibrant nightlife to its rugged mountains and charming historic districts. Whether you're seeking relaxation, exploration, or a mix of both, Gran Canaria is sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. It's time to turn your dream trip to Gran Canaria into reality. Start planning now and take the first step toward an unforgettable adventure. If you've been to the island before, share your tips and recommendations in the comments. And don't forget to watch our other videos for insider travel hacks and guides to the best attractions in Gran Canaria. Let's make this the trip of a lifetime.